Hey guys, this is Kajal and I welcome you to another episode of Wardrobe Tales. The first outfit is all about some good color blocking stuff, and I have paired this warm yellow colored palazzo with a maroonish red color top that has flare hands, and of course it's trending right now. And yeah, you can do print on print, print with solid, any way you like it. Also, to complete the look, I have added some silver jewelry, a watch, and wore my wedges. And it has to be one of the comfortable, simple, yet a good outfit to put on. This outfit has some basic bright colors going on, like the yellow tee paired with this white chicken curry skirt and the blue long line jacket, also added to give this look a definitive statement. And yeah, not forgetting the jewelries, the oxidized neck piece and a good bracelet. And I have also worn the same wedges from the previous outfit. This has to be the easy breezy going outfit, and of course, anybody will love it. And here is the third outfit for those who are planning to get their hands on sari. And yeah, you don't have to wear it the traditional way, because I am here to tell you that you can pair it up with some good basic tee or a graphic tee and a belt, and you can wear it like me. Also, do not forget to add some good chunk of oxidized jewelry to make it look more elegant and more put together look. You'll be the best of the best. Outfit is a bit experimental, and I know you guys will pull it off because it's a neon colored simple kurta that I have paired with my formal white pants that has black stripes running. Also added these tie-on pom-pom flats to make it look like a more put together. And for me, this a good pair of earrings and ethnic bracelet did all good to my outfit. A bonus outfit for you, as I have promised earlier. So it's the same sari from look 3, which now I am wearing as a sari and paired it with a cami top. Also, I thought of adding a white shirt with half off shoulder and then half tucked in, of course inspired by the great Komal Pandey. Also layered up some silver oxidized jewelry and a watch and also a bracelet to complete the look. This has to be my favorite. Also, you can wear some sari that doesn't make you look as fluffy as mine, but I love this sari. I love the fabric, the color and everything about this sari, so I thought of experimenting with this one. And I adore this outfit the most.